How to create a Zoho Mail account. Hello guys and welcome to our video. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create a Zoho Mail account. Zoho Mail is an email service provider that offers a suite of productivity and collaborative tools to help you streamline your email communications. With Zoho Mail, you can create a professional email address, send and receive emails, manage contacts, and much more. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a Zoho Mail account step by step. We'll cover everything from choosing a domain name, to setting up your account, to customizing your email settings. So whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just looking for a reliable email service provider, Zoho Mail is a great option. So, if you're ready to learn and create a Zoho Mail account, then let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, go to zoho.com/mail/. This would allow you to access the Zoho Mail feature. Over here right now, we can see that we have this option over here, which is to access Zoho Mail. Now, this is what Zoho Mail would look like when we open it later on. So we're going to start. We're going to click on Access Zoho Mail. And we would be redirected to the sign up page or the creation of our mail account. As you can see here, we could choose from an organization or create a personal account as username and zohomail.com. You could choose any of these options. It depends on you. But for us, for now, we're going to go with our personal email account. And we're going to type in our username. We're going to go with Cesar. Just like that. And click on Create. And we're simply going to wait for Zoho Mail to finish creating an account, and we would be redirected to our Zoho Mail ZM. Simply going to wait, and just like that, we can now access our Zoho Mail. This is the feature or the UI of our Zoho Mail, same thing as what we saw earlier. As you can see here on the pop-up that we have, the first thing it's going to show us is to inform us that we are welcome to Zoho Mail. It is a secure and featured-rich email with calendars, contacts, tasks, and notes. We can also manage our settings over here, like the time zone and our language. By clicking here, you can choose from all the different language available in the option. You can also change your time zone depending on where you are, and you can also display all time zone over here and select from all of these options over here. Now we could go and next over here, you would be able to also choose a theme for your inbox if you would like to creatively choose your design. You could choose from green and dark over here, yellow and light and dark version, red and dark, black and white, and almost all white over here. For now, we're going to go with a green and dark over here. It depends on you. You would be able to change your theme later on. We're going to click on next, and now just like that, our account is fully set up. Simply going to click on access, and now we can access all the different features available in Zoho Mail. Now we're going to X the pop-up that we have right now, and just like that. Now this is what it's going to look like. As you can see right now, I am currently in the inbox. We have all of these features over here that you would usually see on an email. For example, Gmail. You would be able to see similar features that we have. Over here on the stream section, we have our home. Under home, you would be able to see streams that are sent to you, invites, mentions, favorite, streams by me, and attachments over here. You would be able to see the different things being sent to you. You can also check out your all unread over here, where you would be able to see all the emails that you have unread so far. Over here on the folders, we can see the inbox, drafts, templates, snooze, sent, spam, trash, and outbox. This is our inbox right now. This is what it would look like, and opening a mail would show us this right section over here, and this is our mail over here. You would be able to see the sender, the topic, your name over here, these options over here. You could reply to it by typing R or clicking on this button. You could also reply to all, which is the entire connectivity of email. You would be able to reply to all of those. You could also forward this to another person. You could also generate a new shareable link for this mail. And you could do more actions such as mark as unread, edit as you, add to the different filters, tasks, notes, work drive, projects, and calendar. You can also save this as an HTML or an EML. You could also print this. You could also show original, garbled message, translate, mark as spam, block and reject future emails, and report phishing. You can also delete this specific email if you would like. You can also see over here on the top, you could set a reminder for this email. You could add a task. By clicking this, you would be able to add a task for this specific email. We're going to check that out later on. You could also add a permanent link or a permalink for the specific email, which would allow you to generate new shareable link for this conversation, similar to what we saw earlier over here. And there's also snooze over here, which would allow you to snooze this specific email or the sender of this email. So you can see here, you could also add a tag for this specific email by clicking this button over here. You can also flag this email as important if you would like. If you would like to have this as a email that you would need to see, and just like that, you would be able to see this icon over here on the left side of our inbox over here. Under inbox, you could select multiple different emails by clicking on the box over here, which should allow you to move to, tag, delete, mark as spam, archive, reminder, add task, permalink, and snooze all at the same time. And you could also do mark as read, flag as. Flags are info, important, follow-up, and clear flag over here. You could also forward this as an attachment, mark folder as read, or scrub over here. As you can see here also, we can see our drafts over here. You could access or edit or handle the drafts similarly to what we did in inbox. Basically, almost every section over here are going to be the same functions as our inbox over here. You could also add templates over here. By clicking this, you would be able to create templates for your emails that you would be able to create or use later on when you try to send an email to someone else. You could select a category over here. You would be able to choose when you add a category. Now you could also X that, and you could also check out the snooze, sent, spam, trash, and outbox over here. Over here also we have tags. You would be able to add tags over here by clicking this button, which is the plus button. And you could add a tag, for example, client, just like that, and you could choose a color, maybe red, then click on save. Now we would have a tag labeled client, wherein we would be able to use that tag to label emails sent by a client so that we would be able to easily navigate and identify the different emails that we have if we are looking for client-specific emails. Over here on the views, you could also check out the unread, all messages, flag, and archives over here. Over here also, you could access your calendar. For example, you would like to schedule a post or you have to respond over here. You could see it in this section. There's also task over here, which is what we saw earlier. We're going to wait for it and check it out. Seems like the task section is having issues, so we're going to skip the task for now and we're going to go to the different parts. You could also check out your notes over here. You could add notes in this section. You could save down your ideas and then share them and give them to other people. You could quick add and paste content over here. As you can see here on the left side, again, we have all notes, favorites, shared with me, general, or you could add a book over here to allow you to have different versions or different folders basically for your notes. You could also create a group over here, and as you can see, we have our client tag over here. You can also check out your contacts over here. This is where you will be able to import or add contacts to your Zoho mail so that you would be able to email them with ease later on. You can also add a category over here. There's also bookmarks over here wherein you would be able to see your bookmarks for different URLs or websites that you have. Over here on the right side, you would be able to click on settings and you would be able to see the settings for Zoho Mail. You could edit settings for the system, keyword and shortcuts, integration, presets, mail view options, compose customs, offline, conversation, folders, and many more. There's also other things over here like attachment preview, calendar, widgets, Zoho Desk, CRM, meeting, projects, and work drive over here. You could also add a sticky note, project updates, reminders, and you could also turn on light mode and night mode in the section over here. And if you would like to create an email, you can simply click on email over here, click on new mail, and in this section you would be able to create an email for you to use and send to your clients. And as you can see here, we have send later, reminder options, secure mail, and all of this options over here like priority and insert over here. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a Zoho mail and how to use it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.